Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be renovating this coffee table, which it's fairly in good condition, but it's got some damages, like here for example, some water damage, and I've got some really exciting idea on how to renovate it. So stay tuned and let's get started. As usual, the first thing to do is to clean this piece using my good old elbow grease and a bowl of hot water. For the carvings and all the edges, I am using a small wire brush to get to all of those little nooks and crevices and to take all the dirt off. As you can see, this piece was dirty. Next, it's time to remove all the old finish from the tabletop using my Carbide scraper. Once all the finish has come off, I am wiping the top clean to remove all the dust. After scraping, now it's time to sand. I'm first using an 80 grit sanding mesh, and then after that I am going up for 121. I'm not going any further up because I've got different plans for this tabletop. This time I'm using a sanding mesh instead of a sanding disc. I've had this mesh for a long time. Someone has recommended it to me, and apparently this is supposed to be lasting a lot longer than an actual sanding paper or a sanding disc, and yes, I can definitely say that it is lasting longer. It's more expensive as well, but because it lasts longer, it pays off for the price. Now that the sanding is done, the next thing I'm doing is I am painting the body of the table using a Frenchic al fresco paint in a Blackjack color. After I painted this table, I wanted to highlight the beautiful carvings. So to do that, I am using a golden gilding wax, which I will link in the description. And while I've been working on the table, magic has been happening to the tabletop, magic carried out by my other half. And we're on to the last step, which is to assemble the table. I am applying some glue as well, just to make sure that everything is going to be attached really firmly. And here is a reminder of how this table looked before. And here is the after. I really love how this came out. I saw my other half creating this picture just as a picture a few days ago, and when I saw it, I knew I had to use the same picture for this coffee table. I think it suits it so much. It really elevates the furniture. It's not something that you can see every day. It's truly unique. And I don't know, I just love the picture itself, and I think the colors really match the picture itself as well. But enough talking of me, let me know guys what you think of this transformation. Would you have done something different? Would you have created it with a different picture? If so, please send me the picture. Maybe I can use it in a future project. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that I can create for you more and more unique and interesting videos, and maybe I can show you a few tips and tricks as well about how to upcycle furniture. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks with a new video. Thank you, bye!